Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Jet TV. Do you know, our ear can hear certain frequency? In this video, I will broadcast a sound frequency with increasing hertz. Listen to the sound frequency and watch the hertz meter. Then, you can determine the age of your ear once you can't hear any sound from the frequency. Now, are you ready? Let's begin the test. In 3, 2, 1. Start. This is the list of your ear's age. Do you like this video? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys on the next video.